Okay guys, so this is a 2001 Chevy Astro van, and I'm trying to replace the blower motor. Boy, check this out. What a bizarre setup here. Anyway, this is the blower motor. And if you can see, this is a plastic casing right here. And if you'll notice, I'm going to push this back, and it actually says right here, I don't know if you can see that, it says, there it is, cut between the ribs for blower motor service. So these are actually the ribs right in here. Okay, so now the way to do that, if you have a box cutter, use a box cutter, but wear gloves and be careful. But if you have one of these things, this is called a roofer's knife, and they use this for scoring roofing tiles, and you can really get in there and really score it really well. And you have to cut around as much as possible here, so it goes all the way around. That's like a mega pain. So if you could just get the first half of this, then what you can do is you can just cut around here on the plug, and you can start grabbing with some pliers and start pulling. See that? And when you pull, it actually starts ripping away the plastic cover. I don't intend to keep the plastic cover on here after servicing. If you want to, then please be careful with trying to cut it away. See that? And I'm pulling with pliers here. So, the plastic covering is very pliable. So once you cut the first half, that's easy to access. Then grab your pliers, a monkey wrench or whatever, and just start pulling away the cover on the back end. All right, I hope that helps. Hope you're having a better time than me right now, especially because it's 22 degrees here in New England. Stay warm, stay safe, be careful, wear gloves when you're doing this repair. And I know it was the blower motor because what I did was, here's the connector. I switched on the ignition, switch the fan into different speeds, put a voltmeter or a multimeter across this, and sure enough, the voltage was varying. So that actually looked pretty good. All right, guys. Well, until next time.